What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you could post on your highlights without posting on your story. This is super easy. It's not going to take that long. What you got to do is go over here. You have to do this really fast. You can't wait too long or people are going to see it. So you just wait till this uploads. Just wait a few minutes, wait a few minutes. Once it uploads on your story, you have to go right here, delete story, right? Once you delete your story, you're going to go to settings right here. Once you go to settings, you have to click on your activity. Once you do that, you have to click on recently deleted. It's right here. So anything you deleted before, it's going to be right here. So all you got to do, don't do it right now, but after 24 hours, you just have to click on over here. You have to click on restore. Then you could just go back to your highlights and just add it there. Super easy. It doesn't take that long. This is the best thing I do. I do this every single time. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I just want to say, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all like, subscribe, any helpful videos from now. This is like my 4th or 5th video, so I'm not really that good, but I'm gonna improve myself and I'm gonna keep posting videos. So if you guys need any daily tips, helps, anything, make sure you guys like and subscribe.